Makwaba.
Mejoso.
Chairman nine shirt.
Medas.
Penifo na mebo ama yedi nkomo nso be kan ho bi na wo de afa 0249694152. Anampo ko Facebook and UTV Ghana comment section no na wo de aba man kan ani fa so na metumi kan so na nyeda me you frame. My very good friend Esther Otabel and your birthday Esther, I wish you all the best, divine glory, any good health and I feel long life na me di jawa no pay penifo be buana for yet me din komo bre. Enema e be di nkomo bi ni 4 Kumasi kidnappers freed. Na mba ne nkofo say eja mo attorney general say na ni engu case hu bi is no more interested in the case until mo got answer is allowed. The autosum cyber fraud, Ghanaians lose $200 million in 3 years. Says can mean difference babem. A difference babem.
Ghana crab tumpon.
Maybe I'm taking a question here and question Ghana in this cancer na $200 million in 3 years.
Yeah, we
the bit my scan way chairman.
Loopholes no na doors. And there was a Mississippi.
Yeah, some NDC NPP start fresh PDS fight. See, you ever started there, but the fact is just say in the Ghana, so until you try to we can you say become you okay. And Tiensha here in free a year 4 Kumasi kidnappers no court where ja wo mo say attorney general say on your interested in case no bi no. Yaw, I'm from Nshase.
But that's it. Na yen chia ahwefo. Na enka me de me bota any say nka tembia menya opportunity say me ne Ghana fo nkasa nka enepa omampani na ado danko ekufuado oye no na esem timi betna ha na meka because
na say oba no topics by
there be nyesa me kire say nanka me peni say nka tembia menya opportunity say me nkasa kire Ghana fo a nka nepa na ado danko ekufuado oye ne na meka seminya opportunity na nka mepe say meka nanso obi akoye bi on say time I say medeka enema me fi say maban aye ekire nkrofo na omoti no bibi akosi wo baabi nti I say samre na wodi begina ha enani nansa your friend say nakob ade a omampani waye na oma adi ho afi na nka me betena ha na me ka ho asam kire amanfo enema emre bi atwam aban bi antimi anye na president bai oboa your friend say graduate ni ade eno na nka me pese me ka nanso obi ade bi a waye e betwen me akwakire say me meka because the anti american say police for omo free nkran ha e call Kumasi ko boy mo omo che omo na me mate ka ho me mate inspector ba ko ka ho me pese me boni din was set because or intelligent unit nye bibia
now you meet
or you me mate
now a big man we meet investigator
oh you mate a secondary school
with my boy Mr. question you say we meet we din komo sa operation no Canada foreign be operation one and say Ghana security authorities na
aya na ye say sometimes you pese a day credit on say
say you need be credit ni finje na dem
credit Ghana for na ye because miss my kase me mate ka ho no Ghana for na ye na the ye ya ne say because of ebia adwuma ba ko mienu bia police for bi ye ninti aya na ye pese creditor ese om no yes sometimes omumu bi ya de bia se nyawo mpo ne de ye wo a wo gina kira na
the operation was solely done by Ghanaian police.
Oh, to me, as far as the
information away privy.
The ono catcher mean dear. Say underground or what? It could be say be underground or bed or no catcher me and me ya where me nim say o free her ko Kumasi ne team kokan Kumasi team ho de ye ni de minim say Ghana for na ye
Ghana police for na ye
na ye it could be say and mean to me information is meanings su people say Canada for am and they make us say
well Ghana for you interested in the answer to that question because at that time I check Canada for girls no be see her they say conclusively more free we are it's very sad but obi dey you hu kofa no because that's what people are saying
no Kwame ma me kasem ba control se ABC ya yentimi anya no ABC ya ebia ya nya nkrofo no because you okay minim so refer to takrade for no ABC ya yentimi anya no ebia na se ya nya om no enkyere se fufuro si a eno nso ye ntimi nye ɛho sɛ yenya saade no wɔ ebi a Canada your friend say takrade de ani si omo ntimi anche omo circumstance surround takrade de ne ebi anye same as kumase de no enti ɛho de ani si sa no eno nkyerɛ sɛ ye ntimi omo ntimi nye enti yɛmfa nto yɛtirim sɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ Ghana police no omo yefu asa keke sɛ asɛm ni si a sɛ omo se omo bɛyɛ a media me fi sɛ ɛyɛ dwuma a ya frɛ omo sɛ omo mɛyɛ enti omo ya omo nye mfiri omo akoma mu but adeɛ ba ko a ya na yɛ yɛwure fi ni sɛ wo de yɛmfa adwuma mu hakora keke ebi mu bɛyire omo ho sɛ omo yɛ adwuma no but ɛyɛ danya wo bɛnya ebi mu nso a omo nso bɛwɔ esumase a ebia obɛyɛ adeɛ ba ko mienu bi a ebegu company no ho fi and no doesn't mean say despite group of companies omo nye because uhwe omo enipa na omo ye because Ghana ha nye cemetery Ghana ha say wo come media houses na wo media house be deemed before despite group of companies and one can no kre no kre so ewo mu ni say Ghana police ni nye omo nyina be break me ya sometimes obi ho a one kasa kra de ode ye no utimi hu say eye hi enso eno nso nche se Ghana police fo nyina nya ade enti back to the na make no eye omo obi at taking the time akoye operation na ya che enipa na omo yesi omo ya ade no but ade ba ko nso bi nso ne se ye che obi wasem bi ho a na nkyerɛ se straight away na odifo
enti ne for suspect no
enti ye ko ne de ade na waye no ehye enipa na ehye ne nsa se eye na dwuma se onhwe se atentene ne anase pepeye bekoso nti se ye de hye ne nsa na oye because e wo se onyamre se ohwehwem nti se onyamre hwehwem no okase asomasi wei ye chi no ebia ahyase no na ye omodwen se ne hu wom but eche ye hwehwe nkrataa mu ne ye hwehwe bibia akoso no ehu se ampa ne hu nim nti yenyi no mfiri mu a emra no ma ho kwan saa ebia me ene wo a ye te akire no na ye nte ase se ye ne adwen mu ne se yenya achi nipa enwotwe ne de eye dan a o se ye de enwotwe ne nyina akọ but emra no nso wo ho na emra no nso no eye aloya fo ya na tembia o mu kirekire mu kire ye meme de meme call law school minim emra no de o mu kirekire mu kire ye ene maako a ye kenkan no ti radio papers mu ne book mu no ne ye de ye adwuma enti se omo aba be ka kire ye say ye friend say omo hwe nipa na omo hu nimu biewu a okay omo nya o na mom enan na aka no se omo ye saade na nkasa de a wo se emra no eyire wo mo pampe nani wo mo di because adentina onipa dasani sabi sabrabo no mu ye den kra se udru traffic mu na hwe emma omo ma hye omo achi ni we omo de ye adwuma e de apɛ de omo anu aduane ne omo made na wo de waye wadwen se wo de obetena baabi wo nye saa na emu bechi obi ese because wo nim say wo chi obi isi a pe wo no nipa ne background na we hunu nti e wo se obetimi agiska bi no nti se mra no nso hwehwem no hu se enan na aka no kure pa se omo na ye saa de ne dia eno na e wo se emra no ni omo di because senka meme no senka omo ka se omo gya nipa nwotwe ni nyina nka ebeye me ya and again ye wo ekwan ye fa so say even enan na omo si omo gya omo no se obi kura wo ye friend say bibi tia se ofi say kiakin e wo se sankrofo ne ka ho because o wa dance die bia if say nipa ne betimi de sa dance die no akokere ye friend say police asan to asu bieu because say your friend say ye chill na yesi ya ma ye job because of a year and no nkyere say wo wi asem nyina emre bia ntimi no ni bio e bia obi wo adanse bia na nka hyase no o so otimi de kɔ na ye de gina so na ye bu saa nipa nan no ye de o mo ka ho but nipa na ntimi ye mfa saa adanse na nkɔ ana say attorney general omo enya sa dance no nti se obi wo ho na se ofi say still as nipa nan ne ka ho me de na nipa no oye Ghana ni odo Ghana onsan fa sa dance die ne enkosoe police for so onfa nkodan omo nkyere omo say asumasi anase obenti amagya no me de na me feel say enkeni kwa say omugya no because me was anyina so we na se obi antimi mfa asa anyina so ne nko de a kwa me feel say me nu mienu ayete he de omo hwehwe mra ni mu no na omo ahwehwe mu na omo hu say omo eni hu ni asem na emum enan na aka no na omo hu wasem ti omo na omo ni omo bedi yenyan mamra no na emra no ni omo ni se emra no me nyina so ni se emra ni omo di a eni omo ni finchim because enipa onu watimi abotrim pose o se mechi obi gina asie memfa Canada di nto nche enipa bi akeke ese mechi enipa bi sie ansa na magiska firi obi ho medidi de me nyi ni se sa enipa no eye se ye ne tena man ni mu emfa ho ene aban bi a wo so sene watimi de adi obi no obetimi de adi obi a betimi aye oba betimi aye onua betimi aye ofase na agro no tembe ye ka se si ye ka ye di na ye nima wa aboboa no a wo si agro ye de na emom se brebre na ye di agro no de ba wa aboboa no a na hu se agro na ye di no enye de enti me feel say for now no say attorney general department say for no omo nka ho a fine say enan na aka no so a omo ka ho no emra ben na ye ne omu didi mo mamra ni omu ni enu fiko na se che Ghana ni bi nso wo nyina so se enan ne kra ye gya omu ni kwase ye gya omu a onfa nko da police phobia na omu nsom na se ye san frɛ enan no emu bie mu a ye mfrɛ omu na mra ni omu ni
okay mami nko chairman unhwa development ya wo gine sen
yo medase na mechia ya hwefo ya no pe ni wadwuma yefo nyina na sisi amene wo ka say ayawa so west work constituency main passem area bi a wo constituency we mu home manche no wadani bonkum so nyame ya adomo a memini de ebe na ye be ye yie no sanse ye nimu wo mu nti no mene wo ka sisi ano constituency no ye clean up exercise wo main passem area ho baby anyame ya doma ye di nana
clean up no LPM na wo ye no
anya LPM so me da me passem for na say community service
me can say we are my invoice
meje
chawa
community service say what you say baby I be dida no baby I be kwakosie no esie ho nyina me ne wo ka say emranti egu ho mo ye adwuma na nyame adom me candidate John Dumelo nso apie wo ho me di machi agya no yes ho memne da me invite
mo mo bia chairman dey identify start free here me ba be si won e da se
memne da me invite o say be boa yen na yen kata manchechi kura
me ba clean up exercise so ma be yibi
o clean up dey dey yes o say na be ya wo ba wa ni beje
na so me clean bi me ba say
o be ba na ye Saturday na ye yi
me ba ntem
o ba ye point na ye nko
me ba ntem okay ye nko sa
yo me da say na me nua pani kasa no timi hu say nyama no aburo ne so enti na ko no de na adwene mu a na nka ye ba ha de bia ye be discuss free senior high but unim enam bia no bonwono tale ho enam bia bronwo etale ho enti se o ya na we siesie ni yie
wo be wa na wo bua na wo na wo ka bi
oh na se enam bia bonwono
nye nam bia na bonwono
wo ye sho tremina ma oni bonwono
ama ne bonwono wo ho
uni kitchen uni
mini kitchen say
enti ukwu abisa oyire amani owo bonwono
wo be na wo ni basis
me say amani ewo bonwono
ni bonwono
enti enye
nam bia na bonwono wo ho enye nam bia na
masa
yen tia chesa ni nam bia na wo no
hwe autopus kura wanyi hu yi a enyono
okay and bonwono topic ndo yen ko mi da se
ena me I say ujitum say nam bia bonwono e bata ho
me person wo bo nam bia
all the time no enye de denko na wo beti enti wo ye leader ebekọ boni ebekọ papa ekọ boni e wo say usiesie when timi ansiesie a enu na ye be hu your level of leadership a wo ye dey wo pray takrade girls ya asem ye kosi ya omo yiraye says ya kra me no kaza ni say takrade
the concentration is
me ba
for
me ba takrade de ani si ye hu wo mu ansa na Canadian for the NC ye nyina ye nim ejitu mu say asem ni see no Canadian High Commission ye wa ha omo di nkofo free Canada e bae so omo beboa na omo ahwehwe omo adehye nyame adom omo beboa e ma ye nya ya adehye either police and Canadian nipa na ayira na ye hwehwe enti nipa ba ko ye president of the land and now ye minister of interior na Ghana ni ba ko yira e wo se wo yam hyehyew na usu na u magana fu hu say a soul is gone. And Canadians, they hold their citizens in high esteem. And the assembly see no mu fa plane ba ha nyame adom yehu wo mo. Yehu wo mo no ye chi nipa ngotwe. Me Attorney General also says ya no. Why ne hu say MPP ni ye boni a obe change charge seat to suit them. Send a on be free woman. The same Attorney General, now one kai kumasi, ye ni on MPP, invisible forces, ni data forces, core, court, echo bu jeja no nyim, oba, or tiakunyim, ex kataho, ye ko ye de nesi ye. Wamu change chassis, Emma omunina, echo, song, emrebiani wamwendi. Mini ukasa sisi ya, ebiesi, sa, bakuya efern ambai. I'm by a MPP invisible force member in Ashanti region. When they wear their invisible thing, they are displayed.
You are telling us say we moment to comments no. Let us also be convinced anymore.
Tamwa National Security Coordinator and another appointing in Ashanti region. Wamusi wa mumpe no. And kofo no omuko bu no e kan free office no. Na mbaka ho. Yes, time omo leader no gina hoye press conference against how the boni na was na do pick wo mu nyina no call lock wo mo some J terms no omo ja omo e my invisible force timi be year press conference ehwe na do anim ka che ni say they are on top in Ashanti region no ka ho ye ko chi ni wie ye no ye ne ye kan say akwa we ka ho MPP for be 4 bi ka ho e de e ne asem no aya abo bi din te be ye mwanan ampanso Attorney General ako change charge seat edi ko aduo etisa tentehuo se wodi osono na wodi phone e bo na taso e na odi ama omo e na MPP fo na fam yembu o man sa sisi ya me ne o kasa sisi
ebi anipa for ya court enja omo there was no enough evidence to implicate them
then the koye invisible forces
evidence will be a sin
then the koye invisible forces amba ne
I don't know about invisible forces una woka
unim anka ebeboa
unje me chero
ye nu na wo me
nim se mba na okeka ne sa nipa miensa na mo ka ma mo ye phone omo ye members of invisible forces
asem no ba ye no social media uhu bi nipa ensesa uhu amba or share invisible forces are all your operation ye didn't ba social media ye nyina ye hu bi and we spoke against it
ye can stand ya ni mba
ni nickname ni din akasa yes Seidu Abubakar
Seidu ni your friend no
your friend is Seidu yes Seidu no ye hu no enti no mesre Attorney General kakra na wa court no prosecute or interested no dia no be interested in this world as Attorney General of the Republic no bia ko disaboni we hwe sika isa Seidu we kan ye say Canadians in betua ni ade nyina ye hu ye I just said they need money to release these Canadian people. And now because now who for be taxi near the koya de bonia court it me jao. Safiano na ni taxi ni onwani private car. Omusi Corora na
a taxi and a private car.
A private car. Corora na omudiko swa mayuano ko kidnap wo. Oma imra clear when you are bet to commit a crime. You can oka ho enti na sipani utrefi na nkolari na aka efre na aka we for outcome na nipa we ka cham say we ja no wodi wo car wo private car akọ fine ma we di wo mo akọ unknown destination na wo ka cham say wa jai sa nipa kro na san so wo mo share MPP atade enti ana mesre ba bia Ghana e no ye ya manyosom na ye cheap to extend say nipa boniphobia yi nanim e support to political party e pejana battery say meboa me protective no abeye amanyoku ba na odi excuse me to say huna na ye di ko gina court na ye ja no o mai mu no obi ansunsi no obi e na Ghana mra no so no ye nyina ye hye mra ase MPP ba ye who said Ghana mranye juma. Me ya because if you believe in human right, not a human right lawyer, some way no and moi Ujaya and moi edano here law student court demonstration. Ya bo mo Canadian embassy for Nigeria woman. And no kromuko wura ho the police for edi mabru nachi. Say what he has here. Ediana ye pe wo mayimu. De bia one way or the other asumdua ye hwehwe no wo be hwe na we koso wa we koso amba na oda police for investigation listen ha MPP for san say wo mu training wo mu tax for 2020 I was amba ko bi e na amba ni nkofo e wo police investigation listen say ha wo mu enti o say attorney general ko clear no say de be wo akọ join ni nyonkofo wo mu was strare ako planning womu dubious means to win election 2020. Me ya and Magan and Ibia confidence. Sir Attorney General will continue to be going on prosecutor. Now we ink of way free. San say womu MPP for South money ni yanjai. Ne course oni edua say duana. Ebe so aba na so aba. Ebe ba be guye nyina yeso. No man yenya isembi puma sebre enti minua mi me ya sa na be Ghana ni bia ya esi wo Kumasi twice ye ja wo mu okay wo mu yi coordinator ni PA ye asem no court wo be good court ebe se nyama wo ho court ye ja wo mu akwa kidnap ye ja wo mu enti dia de be si wo Kumasi a ye be take action san say ho ye MPP stronghold ni ti ana say MPP e ho ene eto aba omunya ne kase no entra na that is the question me bisa sanso na Ghana ni bia e bisa say because it's Ashanti region no obi ya boni a obumra so ana
chairman who evidence enough to implicate some for na free omo no
that is the I'm telling you say they are MPP say do no or MPP ni o invisible forces so enti ne ja no
ene entwe come Attorney General say wo
Attorney General no obumra na in the first place on change Charles City no
sana ban bia ya na nsa ban bi wa
MPP aban wo mu ni ya wo ya ne no kire mi NDC abre so babru bi a wako di boni a oye NDC ni ayamfa na ntum wa nu kura akoka na wa nka ni yie ye be sakew that is discipline under the leadership of former President Mahama but under this government under Nanado the human rights lawyer and Attorney General they are not doing this country any good when it comes to rule of law yanhwe ye a ya ba boni ni edua no aba boni ni edua no daachi efifi a o man ye nya be na medi kan ka say me NDC me support to NDC ni bia obekwa akodi boni sans o ye NDC ni ti e wo say mra ni wudi and no leader should condone the call for mo ye ni pa boni na who condone MPP for so we encourage other people to also do and they will appoint figures until me appointing me pointing me figures echo gesi wo court e wo Kumasi na kidnappers ya sem so esi MPP for known MPP for mo ye data forcer wo mo MPP na asem ni si ye no John Boedu any ye nua Kennedy Japan wo mo si they know the boys they are their boys the voices are there I met me abo say the MPP adopted them say they are their boys because they helped them in the 2016 election at the end of the day court dey dey see here na say do no nka they are our boys no nka no kan enya dey ya de papa
I don't know video na picture
me wo voice no ho me dey wa be kire
me can't also dey no na voice
me see Kennedy Japan or can physical one of your sisters
I don't think Attorney General say only enough evidence to implicate them
that is all that you Kumasi dey no say wa back court judge na ye timi ebe pamo no or the others say yes wo pamo me dwane ye mentimi andi asem no there na ope judge or witness in the case enu kura aban ibogu ye under Glory Akufu the Attorney General or honorary prosecutor ko bo asem no gu ye say they are not interested in the case eti me bisa say Attorney General Mami Glory Akufu there na obey interested in this country and now say who twen so mining butu as an our interest abasra na
okay me more interest mama can mention me interest too bad. I don't understand why the kidnappers of 2 Canadian women discharged based on what reasons they used to release these kidnappers. So in fact I'm very disappointed in the MPP government. So is it how they promise to fight crimes? Okay, we will see power in 2020 from Ablade Fiokuma Zongo Takrade Ablade Sudia Obomodia and the Eba I don't know we say okay, I think it's almost the same bloody one a day banner. On say Very long one. Sometimes good morning, Kwame. Okay, good morning. Sometimes I get amazed with the striking comparison usually made between the operations done by police to arrest the perpetrators who had abducted and killed the Takrady girls and those who also kidnapped the Canadian girls. The police couldn't have done anything magically to succeed in their operations with adequate and, more importantly, appropriate and precise intelligence reports. For instance, how long did it take even families of the Takrady girls to report the matter to the police? It took them 3 days, while in the case of the Canadian girls, the matter was reported same day. The narrators were also able to give vivid descriptive accounts which led to the police to where the girls were. This has never been in the case of the Takrady girls, so I don't think they are right in comparing the two cases because they are two different cases altogether. Good morning, AK. When I hear the MPP say NDC have no message, then what? Then I laugh. They should not forget Mahama is really the message Ghanaians has realized. Her hashtag JM is able for good. My name is Masawudu Hamza J. Jr. Capello from Nkwanta South in the Oti region of Ghana. Let's see what this one. Okay. Good morning. What the NDC man is saying is true. How can the MPP government leave those suspected kidnappers to go scot-free? Because it's the World Bank of the NPP, and it's a question I am asking. Gina 1, Wejak by way, let's go to Sunyan and then LT Sukasa. Also, we thank God that all the kings and queens who came to mourn with Nana Bosma today at Nanaya, okay, Ahana Obedasi, LT. We are bad pa one burn na yini na ida mwase my dear walanyo edifrakotia was even if MPP and President Nana don't fulfill all their campaign promises and free SHS is fully implemented, the posterity will ever be thankful for this achievement, which has become daily nightmare to the opposition NDC and their presidential candidate John Dramani Mahama. Ghana is gradually taking new leaf under the competent leadership of Nana Bawumia rulership. Hashtag regards to NS Yao could be incoming MP. Okay, Yao. I'm supposed to be team.
Now, me person me chere adiemu kakra. On say one, assembly see ye no, eye Kumasi kidnappers ni see no. Enye se president den tu hwana mo. Enunti na police for omu tu hwana mo a ye den crofo free in crime. Koka Kumasi for no hono. Inti enu ye abampa any because yem fan say BBSC anko ye Takrady de no. So the subsequent one no, that is when the president
how can say so no nyandwe because start na Takrady ni wi
o say minka say na Takrady asam no kura even as at now why o ma beka say it doesn't mean say because minim say emra ni ni awieye enti Takrady asam ni ye nwieye
akade
o say yes say o mawu last meeting your friend is say
yes ye nchemu ye
yeah police
for say no ko no septic tank mu no and ye dey koye DNA test
and almost DNA ni kire say nkwara no omo a
you say DNA nsantwen
and na be kire say I honor mama kire ade ba kon last I think Kwame Nsroma mama okay na oni awufo ne ba kon kasa na ma oka say ono de ono on challenge aban na obisa say aden no say wono parent no oni integrity bia to defend now because ya ka kire ni say your friend say ne manewu na mom say dachi bi owo ho na bia ne ma na police for na be ka kire ni say wewu no akwara na animu ni a police for no mo a omo de betu dwa say akwara na wu no omo na omo integrity be to defend omo de ade nti mi kire say emra no eni awieye not until say your friend say omo kaka kire omo say nkwara na wu no awofo no bebre say omo nyintum and so it means that the emra no nkwa awieye nti de na make an wo de no betwa mu no abai no ene institution na omo hwe sa amra no so no e make sure say omo hear the right thing afterwards and nukremu omo koye no omo timi che nkrofo na ade ne se ade ba ko aye yayira ne se
same way ye dey call
anwan me de ne se kana wo kanu ase nkrofo ne ye ya ne ye se omo achi omo nyina ye ja omo ye nya omo aya chi omo ni nyina yenya still nkrofo or custody in relation
na me can say o make some allegations be say ususa nkofo nipa for na ejam including Sedu omo ye MP before
me ba so
I say the time no identify ne enko
ono say osusu say omo ye MPP for nti omo wo Kumasi
and say misusu they are MPP guys
we na so I think you use the right word say ususu because when I walk out
it's beyond reasonable doubt.
I know you reasonable doubt. I know you
my common sense reasonable doubt.
For him to have used the term say Ususu is right is in order because Ususu because evidence no and then what that evidence
Sedu
enti dia me chen say sa Kumasi ho ya or ka say Kumasi o ma ye Kwame and this is and me can no crash me no Kumasi me no ehia well, as a for Senate opposite shops now. You've come there when you were working at a friend say Kumasi Abreport station. So I won't say you could meet someone somewhere, but at the point we'll talk after. What I'm saying is Kumasi now or Kumasi Honasem. And ya Kumasi and the NDC for no Kwabu or more party chairman. And yes, Uncle for no sa akakabin sem na all can all yes and please I beg you please let's give respect to each other because you were saying
don't you think guys
no what disappointing that
you were saying say omo ye yes Kumasi ye MPP stronghold no that is why I'm coming in with this.
You are coming to expose yourself, your insecurity issues. You are coming to expose.
Obia can be said, Ususen Kofoni MP before Neja. I was thinking it's over fine and nice issue of defending that assertion.
That is what I'm
doing. You see equalization. Say, you walk in the crowd, and typical political.
No, what I'm saying, get me right. What I'm saying is one, a nipa for no, they are human beings, they are Ghanaians, they vote. They can belong to any of the parties. Now, for them to belong to any of the parties, no doesn't also mean say adie no omunye ya because say yachi omo omaye. That should be clear to all of us. And say yachi nipa ne enti na emra no wo ho. E na emra no so na say no what he say Nanado throw letter command say senior President Mahama can't say yenya muntie for no what is Nanado aye sade ni bi
can say
Nanado can't say yenya omo
muntie for the no can say
can say and yet President Mahama wan ka say muntie for no yenya omo. I'm not here
refer to the constitution.
Please, you will not tell me. You will
refer
not
to what the constitution
says. Is it not President Mahama who
respect the constitution?
Now,
if you believe in human rights, so he used the constitution.
Then you yourself, you don't respect the constitution. The constitution has given the. I'm coming to 1 minute. The constitution has given the Attorney General.
Listen to me, Chairman, hold on. Sabi ye nche kokom ne yedi nkomo ye tena han nipa ehwe yen ene ya painting ye tia ye kasa se nipa behwe ne ate de ye koyas ntini ba na ye ba aguni be church say we end up doing nothing to our people what you say it's a sign of even disrespect to our people ntina mo bia kwan so bia kana ma time me na me keep it no kasa 5 minutes and no trust no kasa ba wa kasa na sem to so I have the right to come and say chale we talk again friendly fire is allowed I mean a conversation ye debate but what you say okay young call topic number 2
okay
cyber fraud and your daily graphic front page story or see Ghanaians lose $200 million in 3 years say ka cyber fraud any na dey keka okay nti mama chance in free war and so ya dey how man no when will we sit as communicators without politicizing issues of this nature let's be patriotic for once because we are Ghanaians we're talking about our country Ghana losing $200 million kwan say ya shoot to anagere cars na we be torture for free say 200 million great man kwan be
papa
nti we emphasize the into your na in defending in party some no
enti na me buy no on say me sha say me ka say nke be ye me dey say me buy ni pa eboa Ghana omampani ni
say one party some ya
say aba ni pa mo ye dey fight cyber crime kan yenko
say Bismarck we me co-host
ade a wo pay ato ama cyber crime
okay ya
on say yes say oman ni mu no sisi a yaka say telecommunication no eboa amemu ewo wiase afa na nyina ena saa niema no nso aba beboa sebi BBC wo baabi a obeti ase obeti nintem BBC wo baabi a obehu na emom mehu ni say botaye nti a saa de ne baaye no ebi mu eti baabi ma saa botaye no enya ye adwuma adenti na meka saa me ankasa ya meti hei me ye living example me say obi fa me 1,000 Ghana cedis from me MTN account enti your friend is say Ministry of Communication atenase ehu say emre aso say e wo say ye yenhyehyɛ pa ebema saa we ya famisika we ya yemse ena wo kwa boys ya omugu your friend say cafe ni ade nyina enye say oya ade bia majority sorry let me use the word majority no odwen ekwan a obetimi agi bibia every obi ho wo ekwan a enye ne kwan so which is the cyber way no enti Ministry of Communication omo tenase hu say and asem no kra ka no omo anticipate say omo say it was agreed say in the next 2021 we kra be kosoro even what's it 20 sorry in the next 2021 no kra no now they were even thinking and anticipating say e be hwe akosoro your friend say billions of cedis, not even
$19 billion.
Exactly. Enti aban no tenase hu say e wo say ye pension ye pa ye be ye said ye be ya ye betimi aso saa de na no de etwam de me tem bia me ka say de etwam bia ya nso aya na me mpese megina de etwam so de omadi akono mu ninko de aka na ye bebo ho ban nti de aka na ekwan be so na ye fa so abon ho ban e wo say ye friend say ministry no edin hyehye to kwan mu say me koto me data free your friend say telcos for anyway ya one sa data na me ankasa makoto no say ye me dia at a point say even me use you create it me roll no over nkrofo a omunya access timidi wram ene ye ka ho asem say fraud omutimi di wram yi sa nkrofo sika ni nyina wo say ye yenhyehyɛ ye pa na yetimi yi sa ne ma ni nyina firi ho na nhyehyɛ ye pa ben na aban yes said yom and didn't aban ni omutena ase say there are some enema bi wo ho a wo say ye mamo ye nti ye increase mo tax ni increase tax no na machines ebia machines abcd a wo say nya na ye de so sa ade na no ye nya na ye de so ano fine omni omutena ase they agreed nti they agreed that they will increase the tax no by your friend is say 6% to us,
which is 50% in accordance with the existing law now.
Say what I'm trying to say is 50% no krano they agreed and ade ba ko a me eye me yakakra ni say before no na telcos no omo absorb your friend is say 6% your friend is 6% in there wo now no telcos no say omo absorb biom omo dey ma yeni the users no and we are paying all the 9% no in including the 3% before no but Abino did not just increase that tax ni say or JJ tax na keke Abino increase say especially fraud way no nkrofo nam your friend say internet so aging nkrofo sika nkrofo nam internet so etwe nkrofo sika me san kan asembio me wo ho na manya bank alert say ya debit me 1,000 cedis from NIB account na ya charge me service charge 1 cedi 20%. Na ma senya the same time na ma senya debit alert be 1 cedi 1,000 cedis. Ni ya san debit me 1 cedi 20%. At a go ni ya debit me 2,000. Na initial minimum say me bo because my bank na ka kire me say me what time met me in a day met me 600 Ghana cedis per. Me free one more. Sadam nam kwan so kokokos truly ya debit ye yisika na from account from Eco Bank we ni nyina ne sa cyber fraud na nkrofo ye because people are able to enter
into policy ban strategy ban na wo ban be some combat sade no
policy a ma ban no e pese the combat sade ne say one say access I say omunya machines a access a etimi ma obi me mitimi ko obi account mu a enye nipa ne de no there should be a monitoring machine to stop that because at the end of the day enye media eni kwan say me de mitiminya access. So the government is saying that yes, people are doing that now, but we have to get sophisticated machines are entimi ma obi in free
company be a home bar some Canon GVG. What are some of their core responsibilities?
Kevin GVG Nasam no more. Core responsibility ni say, sa enema we ya Kenya, omo be swano amaye.
Nti so far it's saying almost swano and almost swano.
So far no, omo di adwuma ne ma omo no. To me no, I would not sit here and say ebia omo swano completely. And I say omo swano completely. But minimum say also omoba no they are putting into said they make for instance my mama just for instance Ministry of Communication ne your friend is say telcos initially I say outright deduction na omo ye no omo nyai no omo say omo machines na omo de your friend say any expertise na omo de ba stop us at the end it will take some maybe time. Yes, they are ready to stop it. On said this, your friend say, communication system no, the data and everything. When you are putting it together, no, it will need some time. But if you are able to put the data into use, that is when it will be ready to stop all these leakages, no. And Kevin, your friend say,
Kelly
GVG, no. Omo DNA say when they install if their data is well installed, this kind of money echo leakage no echo I say the way na ye can no aya na ye center your agreement say e a bank internet we no see this bank your friend say money laundering ni we ni nyina ka ho and numpo na ma ye boka kese no because how can say obi betimi atena ha no a transfer millions of cedis no they are call your friend say outside with that the government getting the right taxes are also nya without getting the right taxes are also nya inti aban no e de nsese atkwam say sa Kevin KVG na wo kan no Kellen KVG na omo kan omo apa omo nyina so ne say ye behwe say leakages is be a wo your friend say my friend system ni mu no omo besisi no na minimum say omo besisi no so ema eso abamfaso ama oman no because one now no to even identify how much you are losing alone no it's a no cry kwanya would see adoni bibi because now no wetimi hu say betimi lose sade way e dey entina ma hu say betimi lose sade way because when hu say system no ebia aha ne ha na efa entina ubetimi
zatika na lose no nyame andom enkosa bio because aban no e den enhihye pa eto ho say ti say dey okay Kellen KVG no omu besia no they are bringing a good data to stop Kellen GVG.
Fache me. Omo the data ba a be so no say ansa na wudi nipa me ba ade ba ko a ase hu ni say even in the advance the more on said
no cyber crime there and it's ordinary crime and community it's everywhere and there's no way you can take it entirely out of society but the point is that it should be minimized
minimized to the lowest level say because say utimi ye the system no to ko ne say obi de nesika akwabrochire wamfa anko direct now what the normal Bank of Ghana process na aban de benya tax sa tax na obenya no ebema sebi ebetimi aye kwan bi eda me krom betimi aye your friend say see 2 classroom block be a wo mi chrome enti media to me need them who say aban ne de nhihye
to ya no de on say aban de nhihye part and e we pon 9:30 pepe 9:30 new program no ba Chris Challenge season 3 of the #1 fitness show is back, and then this time around no you innovating your makakra couples say bia no yere so just na me yere na ya pomodini atitim kakra kan na be interest, so we go live on UTV today. Now Big J of Private Fame and then a wife and Seligali and omo ba ye pon into Chris Challenge munchen and so message start now exercise the idea boapa mani paduane ye adwuma. Okay, my main kind message is me no na fame ko chairman so cyber crime. AK, good morning. Good morning to you and your people. You and I know that when you issues like Tarkwadi happen, first thing to do is to report to the police, not to communicate with them for a long time, as it took the people of Tarkwadi to do that report. Oh, someone who kind here. I say, AK, kindly ask chairman for me. If the then President Mahama freed the Muntie Tre, I said that respectfully. What was he trying to tell Ghanaians? That he is the president and that he is capable of twisting the arm of the law to suit his own whims and caprices, which I disagree with him. Good morning, AK. Ghanaians are fed up with MPP government and we are just waiting to vote them out come 2020. Sure. Say 1 man's meat could be another man's poison. Ramsey inside Sunyane New Doma Siakwa. On say why Sedumba has been discharged. He was among the Nigerians who was arrested. In what situation was he discharged, or because they politicized this case in Ghana? Ghanaians don't understand. We need to be explained for us to be able to get the understanding. Attorney General say there is no enough evidence to implicate them. Good morning, Kwame. I say, tell the MPP man to keep quiet because he doesn't even know what he's saying. Everyone knows that Sedumba is and his people are MPP boys. He also belongs to the invisible forces. So what is he talking about? MPP and his government has totally failed the good people of Ghana. Mame Sapon, New Bawe, CP. Greetings to your panel members. Please tell the NDC man to speak, to stop what he's saying about Mba. Mba is not an MPP member. It includes all the 4 kidnappers. All these guys are Abuabu and Sepe guys. And so Abuabu Sepe guys, me area no know.
And so say do who do?
Minim say do pa.
I did.
What say? Who's we did? I don't know. Say Abano ko tori ko to no box nta.
Ya bi ni ye no hia o amanyoko be.
Near be.
Say do ni ya o de.
Say you fan nko court nko tra nti near be na kan wansam.
Young Cosway.
You can't say so. You can't say so. We're suspect.
You know the position.
And Attorney General will need enough evidence to implicate him. Was it please tell the NDC man that he talks too much? Can sack from talking in the bar and then you let me do this one from Mystic, nothing to us. From Mystic inside in Nsroma Adekye. The arrest of Nam1 by the Yakan Nam1 has no pay. Okay. I say good morning, Kwame. Nanado should pay NAPCO workers and stop the fanfare. Pump and pageantry, okay. PDS is a fraudulent, corrupt, and clueless deal. We were told PDS has been suspended and an investigation will be conducted within 1 month, but proof futile and they are still at work. Nanado and his government are dododo and disrespectful to Ghanaians. They are only good at recklessly borrowing, lip services, and fanfare. God save us from this hypocrite, heartless, corrupt, and insensitive government. Hey, what's up, Bofuno? Okay. Wanye. Selom Fume of Nsroma Adekye. Okay, I'm Chairman.
Yo, me da say me yi ade ba ko afiri ho. Yi muntie sem na ba ye no e court. Attorney General no wo ho sa amre no. John Dramani Mahama na appointee no. Ye ma me Marita Bru. Wan court anko ye no prosecute. Case no fa needed procedures. Emma court Edwo Mukotum. Oba court ni do Mukotum wiye no. The president who believe in rule of law or ma court ye na juma. And a constitution also chere ordinary people can even petition the president to activate a section of the constitution to do certain things. Sa nkofo no Ghana fo no e throw petition ma president or hwe mu nso de omu kotu wo mu no is a right omu ko dem how many months
sa constitution
me pacho o kasa no miama no mami kasa
me kasa no be
me see mami kasa enti me pacho oh
e allow attorney general
masa me pɛ de owo no enti president is a constitutional right yemfa enu nkonkogu de wo ho ni say me gidi say nipa nkitin bia in fact they don't even carry muzzles
nipa be ni carry muzzles
oh say ye bemre mu a obi ko wi aponche because say on ni sika de be follow yanti ne edi na kotum na obi join political party no ko din semboni na aban state machinery like attorney general eko gina ho ebo asem nugu a ya na ya emma ireshemu ewo the ordinary people no wo mu eda o mu na enti obe ni so odun wa akose any political party DAC no attorney general yesre no mu man bi nsi biom egu o man nani mu ase egu o man ga na
yanko
cyber crime very critical se mechire mu wotwi mu a se ye fa we are say atintan kese a yefre no internet krono a ye de fa internet so
twinko fusika ne
yes no enya say physical so wa beji wo car ba obe use abefu mfidie computer iso na watimi ewura wa account mu no wa ko use ka no wa debit this account na sa crime no ne ye ka ye mfa ye ni hu but ye won hihye ya ye dey yetimi ani die kire entimi hwe wo ye bank na me di misika beto ho a enya mi timemu ni mi responsibility say betu ato ma wo dia protecting misika no ye bank no responsibility say what you say me uma obi wo ye bank na uma me credit card na enya mi fun so say me di me card no ma akoma obi na obi ofa internet so yi misika o ma account mu bank no na obetua enti enyuma omo use internet edi kuresika no ye omo responsibility say omo be protect me enya mi na metua sika ma omo because they charge me bank account no bia month omo charge o san sika na we so omo di bi to ho no omo di protect enti aban no eni kwa say obaye ni citizens ho say yentua sika no fast and fight cyber crime omo eye omo adwuma to say banks any telecommunication companies no eye omo no omo so omo protect we the citizens because me talk creditor me tiato onu so onya profit or say profit no invest to make their system secure enti say wanya sa media ban ho yawo say communication service tax what to sesi amini u kaze so dey fight cyber crime or to mu wie yen so na telecommunication companies no notify say aban atum na say na ye charge wa aban say ni koku apai o mu fa hye ketase o mu fa hye empase mayehu u boy yasum ye bie ya no asunsu wa kata ya no e de ensam no hwe aban ba ye u kai kani GVG a u boy no reason aban di ma yen na afrowave fufo na eye sa adwuma no sambre no na saba loss to the country no na nduru sa $200 million a ye ka ho asem yi aban ba ye under oslowusu wo mo so wo mo di company fufura ba kani GVG yes no kani GVG di o mo ba ba ye no wo mo wo ho dada no wo mo yes adwuma no nti munja wo mo say no they are coming to fight cyber crime ni ade and you see you sa contract no over say $189 million the wo mo sake company na e wo ho no first 8 months na company yi adwuma bia so na e di Ghana to etua wo mo ka na se wa fa company wo wa by 3 years ni o na say MPP 3 years no under Kenny GVG no hwe omen ka yebo under the leadership of Nanado and Oslowusu the Minister of Communications enti omwedi yehwamo se wo call bank na usika ye be yi usika anase obi fa be fo kwan so etwu mobile money a every account mu a memo obi asobo bo Nanado ni na ban sobo sense etu a yetua a ye friend communication service tax yetua ma omo dia na omo disika ne ye so omo ma institutions ni nye de sefata yemfa sobo no go bo hwan ke mami Oslowusu eda no service communication tax ba ya tax no e bon kan Ghana for mpe uto credit a ye hello mienu na asa uto data u brazu mienu na asa na Ghana for so se brabe yi to ni free ho as a communication minister kastra wa ban na na do ni kanoforiata minister say yenyi to ni free ho na Ghana for ho ha wo mo u se u digitize digitize the economy enya internet ni ye digitize the economy u se economy ni ye dey far be for kwan so internet is ni ye use now you are taxing the people more. How can they use the internet to digitize the economy? These are the realities. I was say Oslo Wusu resolve no or be catch say data rollover. Tax meaning for to boni here call Lebanon says here. Lebanon government and mini ukasi omu charge tax on WhatsApp. Mini ukasa demonstration cost so here to me for demonstration cost. Na Ghana for na me say ye bufuo na nduru sa amre no na nanado jiji Ghana for no omo ebufuo peja omumu a onya baabi na odi na yesi because to ahodo a o se ye to a bon kan ni nyina no enu na odi gu yeso hwe PDS asem baabi akwa akoduru da bia na asem ba ko mienu esi na PDS asem mi bisa se menua ajetia se na ko bi ye de se fata na ke abeduru bia ye duru so obi ya de boni di Ghana ko dru pempes wo born in intino hwe bebe ya ba bedru ena me ni wo ka sei oman mrahye bedwa eye baby a ye ntwantro say parliament wo ko twantro wo parliament a eye crime na minister of energy who the agreement akọ through millennial challenge account say companies we na ECG ye di be ma wo mu under the PDS consortium now the companies be ye nan ko na parliament agi atumu a na wo aban wakotra baabi eyi baako afirim di baako abehim baako na wo di ni behim no when evaluating na hoden capacity to work effectively for ECG na ye benya power no de na one access no say ya access sa company no ufa no behim a eye dream na wo pese wo ye eye dream na wo pese wo ye
ntuli wa no sie no
emiri ma no sie no aban otete Ghana for na nadu tete Ghana for na omunya reshiremu say President Mahama obeba ya na MPP for say oh na oni oba be di oman isu bio the second coming of John oba MPP for say oh no ni assembly aka on 19 okasa policy it is MPP for say former President Mahama manifesto mransa no omunka say o policy a me kai o
no kan say the policy I want to din
oh here tie asem a esia ye be ye ho adwuma no edi no o say free senior high oba obeboa mana konenim na de obeye ni say within 90 days
and the ho no
na de no your man into us o man nya into us who can create another Ghana. This is the Ghana we have NTBB cause wa uba siesie na ye o say oba
na say dem go ka say NDC for dem create na no obi abai number to us no say no credit
na ye ye progressive free na e progressive free senior high na
ano na ti say
net say de obana or day school no ye so that say e reduce parent burden ye ma omu exercise books
interesting
ye ma omu what ye ma omu book e ma school fees
chairman I no be topic for another day
any topic or say 90 days oba obeboa me ya sakre or say oba regions na do ati hospitals ni ho schools ni ho no oba obesi schools wo policy or say law school oba
ntiduru ho obeboa ni na be chairman ni na don't do that chairman don't do that
comprehensive sexuality
education don't do that
policy or say quality education not
me policy be say waka say we why
it is some bebre wo why dey enhance Ghana for or
meto aso no the mechanic says here your former president review the policy or the na review na any review bia some bia so can be answer here and Nepal President Nana Addo Dankwa de atoto ho no be review and may review Encroft Nanado or no oba no or cut to ho say
mama chairman and set topic na last topic PDS
akobina
and ohwe daily guide on say NDC MPP start fresh PDS fight nti enkwen de wa
ye de ekone say me PDS fight almost say
the company fu fra be guram
almost say ntokwa na omo ko na omo asase na omo de your friend is say omo press conference
yeah general secretary press
me patch
very very
yeah chairman
kind of conversation
very very important me patch o say o ka say mama omo say omo intercept they make sure ni say PDS asem they omo can be anywhere ye dada o enti na nya enti na me pese they omo can be anywhere ye dada eye PDS asem dada eno na omgusu ka enti
that mo say PDS asem ba ye no company ka say atwe activities asensen so adwuma ni she PDS say no an wo mo ye nti sa suspension e ba mu no na so far so no
enti na me say
Marako Adani
omo ka sem omo ka sem no enti na PDS asem no me pese me do omo ka sem no omo ye nyina
no ne aduale o nti wo pese o do
omo ye MPs omo ye mpanifo ena me Ghana ha no masem a me ka say enti ye mpese obi a MP mpese obebu mra say wo ye MP na wo an intercept document a chere say your friend is a PDS no ABCD ne bon wo mu a adenti na wo mfa nko the appropriate quarters mfa nko parliament ho mfa nko court nko chere say PDS na maka ho asem de bia maka on say tembia ye wo ho NDC for omukọ no makochi anoma ho no matutu no de abetro sa anoma abeni wakotutu wo se wo ye MP wo a wo hyemra wo sebi nye se ye ne ye yetemamufo no sebi nye se yenim nyansa nso ye hu se wo ne ye pese wo du yenim wo constituency we wo ne ye pese wo du yenim we area we ne ye de ama wo kwa akoye mra no ho adwuma fa ma Ghanafo enti wo mra na wo koye ho adwuma no nye se wo kotena ba bia ka se ma enti obia sorry keke no ka se me intercept document we ya me saka we na edi akire wanya document no eno ne ma wo kire se wo nyina so se wo de court
document
mo press com mo ya mo ye man ka say NDC
from Morocco to
NDC has
Meridian Power Service
NDC has intercepted document
parliament mo di Meridian Power Service
okay Bismarck any ya madam say me chia madam fupa NS bacho mama nchanafu NS Kojo Smith oh yeah aspiring member of parliament and Sukuma Odobin Brakwa Mr. Smith so this week we found one fan ba and my very good friend Elton Kofi Kranting from Amsterdam welcome back we no wish for nyina me chacha mo Bismarck any ya madam say some boy bia course so kama nti na me boy be say hia ne mu Craig's challenge and a couples edition oba na okunu omo tete one point bibia so kama production team da mo ase nyame mo ye ho ba na wonhwe so haship mu dia
our mind and why
abushanta yeri besia ye fra me Kwame Ajetia nyame boa within the week e be say hia have a nice day bye bye